I'm Muthaiya. I done my Bachelor of Computer Application. I got selected in Accenture.
What built up your interest in networking?
We need to keep trying to achieve the goal.
You do not have to apply for jobs. Instead, the companies are ready to hire. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, where our students join us to share their success story. Let's not wait further and directly dive deep into the episode. So today we are joined by Muthaiya, who has recently secured a place in Accenture. So let's hear it from him. How was his journey and what motivated him? So first of all, congratulations to you on your placement and thank you for joining us today. Now, there are so many people watching you right now and they are so interested to know about you. So first of all, tell them about yourself and what was your educational background.
Yeah, hi. I'm Muthaiya. I'm from Bangalore itself. I done my Bachelor of Computer Application in Christ Academy.
Okay, Bachelor of Computer Applications. So what built up your interest in networking?
As I say, networkers whom have tied up with our college, and Sanjay sir has motivated with the networking domain. So I have thought of going for networking.
But in college in general, what happens, so if you see the college life, everybody wants to enjoy it. What made you push forward and, take a step and, build a career in networking? Because BCA, I guess, more of computer applications, programming side of things.
Initial stage I was enjoying, like move back to final year. I got fear about future, so I thought of going for networking. Even I'm not interested in programming also. So I thought of deep diving into networking domain, and I took suggestion from Sanjay sir and some of my teachers, and they have taught us.
So since you mentioned your trainers motivated you, right? But you said that you started in the last year, right? So how would you have done differently if you get a second chance?
If I would got a second chance, I would have built up my skills from second year itself, and when I have time, I would have built my enough skills instead of waiting to last moment. And I would suggest my juniors and fellow mates to follow the same and start early.
So that's kind of a suggestion, guys. When you're in the college life, right? So in college life, you should not wait for the final year or the just last moment. Okay? Why? Because when you're at the last moment, you rush up things. You do not have enough time there. So always start your preparations early. See, everybody goes to college, and from the school life itself, we are told that you'll get chances. Like right now, you study in college, you can do the fun, right? But actually, college is something that builds up your career. That is the journey where you build up your career, right? And if you waste the entire time in just fun, then it's really a pressure for you at the end. Okay, because you have to look up for roles.
Yes.
Now you have to find a job. And then what will happen? That whatever the job role you get, doesn't matter it pays high or low, and you have to join it. Why? Because now you are in need. So what happens? Rather than that, if you start your preparation early in the time, you could have enough skills that now you do not have to apply for jobs.
Yes.
Right? You do not have to apply for jobs. Instead, the companies are ready to hire you now. You are getting 4 calls, 5 calls, 10 calls a day, and you have to select the offer. That way you could have prepared, right? So that's a very good suggestion Muthaiya has given to you. And I hope you guys take it and be serious early in time. Okay, so let's talk about your journey. How was your journey at Networkers Home?
Like Networkers Home, trainers would have traveled to our institution, and they would have taught us from basic CCNA networking fundamentals. So that I have got interest in learning networking domain. So I put up my interest in learning networking fundamentals and networking knowledge. So I thought of completing a CCNA course from Networkers Home.
So as you mentioned that you were being trained in your college also. So you were studying BCA and now you're studying CCNA. Was it challenging for you?
It was most of the topics I have already gone through from my studies. So I would not. I didn't face any much challenges.
So how was your experience here at Networkers Home when you did your CCNA?
Yeah, trainers are very friendly, and they provide their knowledge and to skill up our skills. Even Networkers Home, they do conduct mock tests to motivate the student.
So are the trainers approachable whenever you have any doubts?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now you mentioned about mock interviews. So before diving deeper, I'll ask you about how many mock interviews did you attend?
Yeah, I have attended 3 to 4 mock interviews.
How was your experience?
In mock interview, I was performing very low, and even I didn't stop to attend the mock interviews. Even I have keep trying to motivate me, and
How did you motivate yourself?
like even if I got low marks and I was struggling in communication and all, even I have keep trying.
So what would you suggest again to your juniors and fellow students? Like, it happens with everybody. Initially, you go in the mock interviews because this is the first time you're appearing. So students have a lot of agitation. Sometimes it's a lack of confidence. Sometimes even if they know the concept, they will forget the answers in front of the trainer. You might have faced the similar thing.
Yeah.
So what would you suggest to the fellow students? How should they prepare and how should they keep motivated?
Like if they fail also, we need to keep trying to achieve the goal.
Correct. So guys, focus on the end goal, okay? Whether it's mock interview or a real interview. One failure does not decide your career. Always remember that something better is there for you, right? So either you stay at the place right now you are, or you just keep on pushing yourself. Push yourself forward. Work more. Study more, practice more, and do the hard work. And it will definitely give you what you want to achieve. Tell us about your current company and job role.
Yeah, I have got selected in Accenture, and my job role is IT service desk.
So can you tell us about the interview process that you went through? How many rounds were there and what kind of questions were asked?
Like initially, there was a first round like communication round, and after that, once I get selected in communication round, they have scheduled a technical round, system technical round, and troubleshooting skills. They have tested my knowledge.
Okay, great. So how did you prepare for the interviews?
Have attended multiple mock interviews, so I built my confidence to attend this interview. Yeah.
Great. So from mock interviews, you got the idea and confidence about how the interview process is. Because initially, a lot of students face hesitation. So at least I guess your hesitation was removed from here. So how was your overall experience with Networkers Home?
Yeah, it is great. I would like to suggest many of my fellow mates and peoples to come and study over here. They do provide good knowledge and skills for the people and upcoming training skills and knowledge.
Great. It was really nice talking to you. So once again, congratulations to you on your placement and thank you for joining us today. On behalf of Networkers Home, I wish you all the best for your career.
Yeah, thanks.
And guys, this was another episode. I hope this motivates you and you also land in a company like Accenture or even whatever your dream company is. I'll see you guys in another episode. Take care. Bye-bye. Keep studying and watching Networkers Home.